Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Ford Explorer sunroof using an easy method. First, let's begin by checking the basics. Always start by inspecting your vehicle's fuse box for a blown fuse, as this is a common culprit. Next, examine the sunroof switch itself for any visible damage or loose wiring. Finally, carefully look for any debris, such as leaves or small twigs, that might be blocking the sunroof tracks. These simple checks can often resolve the issue quickly. Once you have checked for obstructions, it is crucial to thoroughly clean the sunroof tracks. Use a clean, damp cloth to carefully wipe away all accumulated dirt, dust, and any remaining debris. After cleaning, apply a high-quality, silicone-based lubricant specifically designed for sunroofs. This lubrication helps the sunroof glide smoothly and prevents future sticking. Make sure to apply it evenly along the entire length of both tracks for optimal performance. If cleaning and lubrication do not resolve the problem, a simple reset might be necessary. To perform this, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, press and hold the sunroof's close button for approximately 10 seconds. Release the button, then immediately press and hold it once more. Keep holding until the sunroof fully opens, closes, and then returns to its original position, completing the reset cycle. If your sunroof remains unresponsive, you might need to manually close it. Most Ford Explorers have a manual override crank, often accessible near the dome light. Use the specific tool provided with your vehicle to carefully turn the mechanism and close the sunroof. If, after trying all these easy methods, your sunroof still isn't working correctly, it is best to consult a certified mechanic. They can diagnose more complex electrical or mechanical failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.